Hey guys, I am back with more stuff to report. Yes, it is coronavirus. It's uh, day 11 of the gray zone in Ontario now, and it's day 299 since the coronavirus first rules first started. And I've been counting. We haven't reached 365 days yet, but yeah. So, anyways, hospitals have been said a little something because hospitals they found out most of the patients are people. Their newer patients have they have had Christmas gatherings, large gatherings. So Dr. Michael Warner said, 60 after the hospital did research, 60% of those who tested positive were involved in some sort of holiday gathering. So this is why a majority of Canadians are in favor of a holiday lockdown. So yeah. So, and also New Year's Eve, that too. Some people had large gatherings during Christmas, and also New Year's Eve. Yeah. And it's just embarrassing to even consider that. And of course, hospital beds are taken over. Like the majority of them are coronavirus patients. So, yet the people who actually need, the other people who are going to the hospital for other needs, they can't, or it's limited because people are so stubborn because all these COVIDiots who chose not to follow coronavirus safety rules. Yeah. So that is another issue. I've mentioned this already, so here we go. Ontario, today we are reporting 3,128 coronavirus cases. So you might have noticed I uploaded yesterday's on Venomous Dark Eagle and Sunset Flame and Dusty Sky, Fiery Skies channels. Because that was because I was fighting with my phone yesterday and it would not let me upload. Yeah, the battery was low, and of course the Wi-Fi was laggy. So yeah, so that's that. So today, 778 high cases are from Toronto. 614 is from Peel Region, still high too. 213 is from York Region. 172 is from Durham Region. 151 is from both from London-Middlesex Region. And also 151 from Hamilton too. And 142 is from Windsor-Essex Region. 129 is from Waterloo Region. 128 is from Halton Region. And 126 is from Ottawa. So I can't believe Durham Region's higher than London-Middlesex, Hamilton, and Windsor-Essex region, Waterloo Region, and Halton Region, and also Ottawa. So this is where it gets dangerous. So all other public health all other regions report usually under 100. Guess what? 125 is the average now. The under 25. So all of the other regions are reporting under 125. So yeah. With the Ottawa just over the line at 126, as I just mentioned. The number of deaths reported today is at 51 right now. So fines are in effect still, No social gatherings with anyone outside your household. Like, literally, you should not be meeting out with anyone for, any reason. Unless if you're, caring for, vulnerable people. Because these are the people who are in the social gatherings that, in large numbers, or even had any large gatherings, they are the reason we are having high cases right now. They are the reason. And also people going outside, going traveling internationally and not getting checked. And if they are not quarantining themselves. So, rule number 2. No social gatherings inside your household over 10. So this is limits gatherings only in your household only. No. Oh. So limitations on some businesses, some closures, restaurants and bars only doing takeout, delivery, or drive-through services. We know that. This is all part of gray zone. So, yeah. No large gatherings of any kind. There should not be any. So, you do? Host pays $1,000. Every other person who showed up pays $750 each. And possible fine of $100,000 in penalties and 1 year in jail. If a corporation has a gathering, they pay $10 million. So gray zone rules that. So actually, Northern Ontario has 3 more days until they are done, and However, we have to wait until January 23rd. So dining closed Driving schools closed except virtual classes. Casino gambling closed. Cinemas, amenities at hotels are not available. Museums and zoos are closed. Personal care services are closed. Nightclubs and strip clubs can only provide takeout of food and drink, and gatherings of any kind that is not essential is not allowed. So you can't meet up with if you're dating someone, you can't meet up with them right now, or if you can't meet up with your friends right now. So limit to 10 people on a television set. No live audience. Makeup and hair staff require protective equipment. Post-production is permitted for new sets, and rehearsals and performances are allowed. So if you play a brass or a wind instrument, you have to have a special barrier. Short-term rentals are allowed at hotels. Real estate and car dealerships are open on an appointment only. Supermarkets, convenience stores, and pharmacies are open to 50% capacity at a time. Discount and big box stores are open to 25% capacity at a time. Construction can continue. Household services are allowed. So health services are open. Virtual and drive-in events are allowed, and outdoor markets can remain open. Curbside pickup and delivery is available for cannabis stores, retail, libraries, hardware stores, department stores, and in-person shopping is not allowed. So might as well make up a website, and put some of the items on there, and yeah. People can look at it, phone, call, pick it up, and go. So special parking spots are available at malls for pickup, as you probably have noticed. Schools are open on January 11th, January 20th, and elementary schools, and January 25th for high schools. Online classes are going on right now, so that's why internet speed is pretty slow right now. Takeout, drive-through, and delivery service of restaurants, bars, and cafes will be available. Gray zone rules are still in effect for York Region, Windsor-Essex Region, and Hamilton until the end of their designated dates. Hospitalizations. Oh my God. So 1,347 people are hospitalized right now with coronavirus. You know the reason why. Large people having large gathering when they shouldn't have. Hey, shut your ass up and go quarantine yourselves. I'm quarantining myself right now. $352 patients are in ICU right now. Slight increase. 245 patients are in ICU on a ventilator. Higher. Long-term care homes. So 1/3 of long-term care homes in Ontario have had a lot of cases right now, and active outbreaks right now. So current cases right now in long-term care homes is 2,830. That's right now. Outbreaks right now is 216. So uh, if you added up all the number of like uh, like the number of long-term care homes in Ontario, and and divided that by like one third, yeah, you'll figure out the percentage of yeah, long-term care homes affected. So like currently 1,997 active cases are like going on right now. Stuff's getting worse. So follow coronavirus safety rules. Absolutely do not have any social gatherings with others over 10. Or don't have any social gatherings at all. Absolutely don't have social gatherings. Have the important ones. So careful, like only go outside for like essential stuff like work. School. Shopping. Caring for vulnerable people. Use social media to contact others. And so if you want to talk with those multiple people at the same time, Zoom chat, Google Meet, and other social media apps are available. So why don't ya? So stay out of your keep your health your first priority. Stay out of areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and avoid going to places if you're from a high case area. Wear a mask. Wash your hands, or sanitize your hands if there's no washroom around. And also 2 meters away from other people. Because these morons who to choose to interact with people, and I know you're all waiting for coronavirus to be over, but if you really want coronavirus out, you better start committing. So you better follow the rules. Stay safe. As if being put in the gray zone, and it wasn't even my fault. Isn't bad enough? I don't know what is.